Hello everyone, this is the Mattis, and today I'm inside a bathroom of a relative, and I'm gonna show you two ways to delete bad odor. The first way is I have a, a lighter, so I just want to get rid of the lighter. I just want to get rid of the odor of the toilet because it smells bad, obviously. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open the light and wait for 30 seconds. Wait for 30 seconds. And now it smells a tiny bit better, but what I want to do is, it's better if you do it near the toilet. So right now, I have placed the telephone on my toilet, and I will use an alternative method. And what I have here is some matches, and what I'm gonna, oh fuck, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna remove this, get a match, and just open it, and you want to do it like this, so you can light faster, and then when it goes up, you don't want to get burned. It smells much nicer. What you want to do is, I put some water, I rinsed it with some water, because who knows, you might get burned. Bruno, I want to light it off, What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna light one more with the same technique. So here it is, and then you want to do it like this, so it doesn't go off, so it doesn't turn off, what the fuck. And there you have it, the smoke. See the smoke? What I want to do is, you want to not have any smoke. I'm gonna put some water on it. And now, I recommend doing this with both the toilet cap on and the toilet cap off, so you can be more certain that the smell will be better if you do it with cap on and cap off. So it's a very easy method to vanquish the bad smells and odors from your toilet. This was the Mattis Ioannou. Thank you very much for watching.